Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create or how to edit this particular photo edit like spiral on your mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, download the Polish photo editor from the Play Store. Now just open the image on the application, click on the photo and open the image that you just need to edit. So after selecting the image, click on the effect option on the bottom. Here you can see a lot of options. You just need to select the neon option. So after selecting the neon option, there will be a lot of category. You just click on this first category, spiral. As I talking about, you can see there is a lot of spirals, but you just select XP3 to get this perfect effect. You can just resize the spiral and you can just enlarge it and you can just make it perfectly to fix on you can see how it's look like. This is how you just make this spiral effect on your photo. You can just change the spiral size on the different length like this, and you can just make this like also. And after creating the spiral to directly on your photo, you can just click on the OK button. Now you just click on the save button on the top. You can just save it on your mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.